In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Grok AI for free. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into the chat, ask great questions, and make the most of the free tier without running into limits too quickly. First, open Grok. This simply means launching the service in your web browser or opening the app if you already have it installed. If you're using a browser, consider bookmarking the page so you can jump back in quickly next time. Once it's open, you're ready to move into the main workspace. Next, open the main dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your home base. It's where you'll see navigation, shortcuts, and any recent activity. Give yourself a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can find things faster later on. Now, find the Grok icon in the left menu or the bottom toolbar. On larger screens, it's typically in a vertical sidebar on the left. On mobile or smaller screens, it may shift to a bottom row of icons. Look for the distinctive Grok symbol. If you don't spot it right away, try expanding the menu or scrolling the toolbar. Click the Grok icon to open the chat interface. This brings up a simple conversation window with a message box at the bottom and space for replies above. You're in the right place when you see a prompt field inviting you to ask a question. Type your question in the message box. Be clear and specific. For example, instead of "help with code," try "explain how to fix a syntax error in Python when importing a module." If you need to separate ideas, you can add short sentences or line breaks to keep things organized. Press Enter to send your prompt. On desktop, a single enter sends the message. If you want a new line, use Shift plus Enter while typing. On mobile, tap the Send button if it's available. Read the AI response carefully. Skim for the main point, then review any steps or examples it provides. If something seems unclear, note exactly what you want, clarified so your follow-up is targeted. Continue chatting with new prompts. You can refine the answer, ask for simpler language, request examples, or provide more context. Refer back to earlier parts of the conversation to keep the thread coherent. Finally, stay within the free usage limits. Free access often includes a daily or session cap. To stretch your usage, combine related questions, keep prompts concise, and save longer explorations for when you really need them. If you reach the limit, simply wait for it to reset and pick up where you left off.